Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure showing requests with ShowingTime, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your ShowingTime app or website. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Showing Requests section. Click on the settings icon in that section. Select Notification Preferences from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see options for how you want to receive showing requests. Choose your preferred notification method, such as email, text, or app alerts. Scroll down to configure time settings for showing requests. Set your preferred hours during which you will accept showing requests. Adjust the duration of how long showing requests will remain active. Next, customize your response options. You can select to automatically accept or decline requests based on your availability. If desired, add personalized messages for responding to requests. After making these adjustments, be sure to save your settings. Now, return to your dashboard to review your configured settings. Test the setup by simulating a showing request. Ensure notifications come through as expected. Review any showing requests you receive to see if they align with your preferences. If adjustments are needed, return to the settings to make changes. Congratulations, you are now ready to effectively manage showing requests using ShowingTime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.